Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to add mods in Aternos. So let's get started. First, log into your Aternos account. On the homepage, select the server where you want to install mods. Make sure the server is offline before starting. From the left-hand menu, click on Software. Scroll to the Java section and choose Forge. Select the version that matches the mod you plan to use. Next, click Reinstall and Confirm. This will reset your world, so make sure to back it up if necessary. After installation, you'll see a new Mods tab on the left. Click it to browse available mods. Use the search bar to find the mod you want. For example, Journey Map. Select the version that matches your server, then click Download. Once the mod is added, return to the home page and start your server. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.